Hi guys, we are at Nashik Flower Park.
Hi guys, I'm Vibha and welcome back to our channel. So first of all, Happy New Year to all our lovely viewers. So this is our new video on Nashik Flower Park.
Hi guys, we are at Nashik Flower Park, which is on Trimbak Road, and words cannot describe the beauty of this place. It is a must visit when you come to Nashik.
So Nashik Flower Park is located on Trimbakeshwar Road near Anjaneri Hills, and it is 20 kilometers away from Nashik city. The park is open after lockdown following all the COVID guidelines. The timing for this park is 11 am to 7 pm, and entry fee on weekdays is 300 rupees per person, and on weekends they charge 400 rupees per person. We visited this park on Saturday, so they charged us 400 rupees. Guys, you will surely love this place if you're a photographer or you love clicking pictures of yourself. This place gives so much of freshness and color to your photos. So it will really surprise you that Nashik Flower Park has 5 million flowers with 45 variety of flowers. The total area of Nashik Flower Park is 40,000 square meters. Nashik Flower Park is sheer example of intense creativity, uniqueness and beautiful imagination. Like here you see this doll which is beautifully covered by real colorful flowers. As we were exploring this park, we spotted this 20 feet huge peacock covered completely with real flowers. With peacock, you will also find elephants and horses covered with green grass and flowers. With the present trending culture of selfie, the designers and the makers of the park have very well designed the selfie zones, and here you can see that my husband is posing somewhat like Shah Rukh Khan. It may interest you that this park is 2-in-1. It means in winter season, this park becomes a flower park, and in rest of the season, the same flower park gets converted into a water park. After knowing this fact, we felt that we are really fortunate that we got to see this beauty. Also, I must say that the entire flower park is well maintained, well organized, very clean, and of course the staff is very courteous. Visiting Nashik Flower Park was a unique experience and a breath of fresh air, where we got to see so many variety of flowers like petunia, false indigo, lilies, aster, balloon flower, sunflower, coleus, different types and colors of roses, marigold and daffodils. In this park, you will see the peak of imagination executed so beautifully. We were so thrilled and excited to see a water park ride which was completely covered with real scented flowers in so many colors. When you enter the park, you will see that entire park is filled with these small tiny pots with flower plantations. And here we have reached at the top of the water ride, from where we get an amazing view of entire park. We were so impressed with this park that we landed up clicking more than 100 pictures in different poses, and we spent around 3 to 4 hours just in this one flower park. This is also a water ride which is filled with flower plantation of different colors. While we were in park, we got to know that there are 10 huge structures covered with scented flowers. And we were so amazed the way entire park management have managed this park with so many flowers and plants. Make sure that if you're coming to Nasik Flower Park, do not carry your drones or professional cameras. They are strictly prohibited in the park. In case if you have to do any specific shooting, so you need to seek permission from the park management. If they allow, then only you can go ahead with such kind of shoots. This place is equipped with all kinds of facilities like sitting areas, dining area, food corner, parking area, toilets, fish aquarium, adventure activities, first aid room and kids zone. The flowers and plants which you see in this video are all seasonal and grow in winters beautifully. So guys, after watching this video, if you are thinking or planning to visit Nasik Flower Park, please be ready to at least give your 2 to 3 hours to this park, because this park is huge. They have fish aquarium, fish spa, bird house, and of course the flower park, and there is so much to see and learn. This entire park has fish aquarium, flower park, bird house and fish spa. After seeing aquarium, flower house and bird house, we got to meet this cute iguana who was actually very heavy, and his name is Tyson. My husband Manish was super excited to hold this iguana on his arm, and to our surprise, this iguana was super friendly and super awesome. Inside Nasik Flower Park, you can also have accommodation in these tent houses. Also, they have some adventurous activities. Beside that, they have a restaurant. So guys, after watching our video on Nasik Flower Park, if you're planning to go to this park, do leave in your comment in the comment section. Also, how you like the video, do leave in your feedback. And if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and do share and subscribe to our channel. Trust me, it really means a lot. This is Vibha signing off. Thank you.